Hi friends, and welcome to today's Tuesday travel blog, where I post a video about the fun things that I've done and the cool places that I've been as I travel cross country in my RV. Before we continue, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the bell icon so you can get notified of all of my videos. Today's Tuesday travel vlog is all about ice cream, more specifically Ben & Jerry's. I'm currently here in Waterbury, Vermont, where you can find the original Ben & Jerry's factory. While there are 3 in the world, one here where I am, one in St. Albans, and the other one in Netherlands, this one is the most popular because it gives you tours and tastings. So stick with me as I take you around the Ben & Jerry's factory, talk about the tour, and the fabulous ice cream. The company was founded by Ben and Jerry, who are school-age chums. They each decided to enroll in a $5 correspondence ice cream maker class through Penn State, where they learned to make ice cream, and then opened an ice cream shop at a gas station in Burlington, Vermont. They're most noted for putting these ginormous chunks and really powerful flavors into their ice cream. And the reason behind this is because Ben had a lack of taste and smell. So they amped up the chunks and amped up those flavors because it just felt right to him. Now, you don't have to take a tour to enjoy the fun that is here. There's a great playground, there's the flavor shop, you can go into the gift shop, you can make your own tie-dyed shirt, you can just walk around the grounds, there are cows, you can see my favorite ingredients, the sugar, milk, and cream. There are plenty of picnic tables and places to just sit and enjoy your ice cream. The tour itself is only $7 and it runs every 15 minutes. Tickets for the tour go online 2 weeks before the date, so make sure that you book your ticket ahead of time before coming here, as they do sell out quickly. The tour is 3 parts. The first part takes you into where they call their movie theater. Here they show you a 6-minute movie that talks about the history of Ben & Jerry's, the mission that they have, where they've come, where they're going, their social impact that they like to have. Ben & Jerry's is a very socially recognizable company. They support a lot of legislation. They support a lot of human rights. From there, they take you into the second part. Now, the second part is a no photo zone. So unfortunately, I was not able to capture any video or photos. However, they do give you samples of their chocolate chip cookie dough. The second part talks about the production itself. Now, while I was here, they're getting ready to produce Chunky Monkey. They do make 3 to 4 different flavors a week. And this part of the tour takes you out on what they call the mezzanine, where you can look over the production section. So on your right side and your left side, they have all the different, where it goes from the mixing to the adding of the ingredients to more mixing to the packaging, and it goes through the whole process. It's a 10-step process to get you from ingredients to ice cream. Next part, however, brings you to what they call the flavor lab. Now, the flavor lab, they do have an on-site mixologist, someone who kind of makes something new, and that new flavor that she makes can only be found here at the factory. And this time when I'm here, it's maple walnut. But this is also where you get to try the flavor of the week. So of course, they first tell us that the sample is going to be broccoli cheddar chunk. Some people are like, ew. I was like, I would totally try that. I mean, it's a free sample. Why not, right? Well, apparently that's their joke. Now, every April 1st, they do make a joke ice cream for that day, but this is just something that they do. So the real flavor that we tried is... So, of course, I ended up my tour with this ice cream tasting, and it was delicious. As you leave the tour, you pass by the quality lab. So they do taste test every production that's made to make sure that it's up to standards. Now, these people who have this position are known to taste up to 1 pint of ice cream a day. So, of course, their employment comes with a free gym membership. No visit to this area is complete without visiting the flavor graveyard. So what is the flavor graveyard? The flavor graveyard is where they lay to rest flavors that just didn't quite make it. For whatever reason, people didn't buy it, people didn't like it, didn't have the sales, it didn't have impact that it was hoping to. So those flavors, they discontinue them, they place them into the flavor graveyard, never to be made and never to be sold again. Doesn't really take long to be here. You could probably do the whole thing in maybe an hour, 2 hours if you want to sit, relax, and enjoy some ice cream. I thought this was great. I really loved being here. All the employees are super friendly. How can you not want to have your ice cream? I highly recommend it if you happen to be in the Waterbury area or anywhere near Burlington, Vermont. Thanks for traveling along with me. I always appreciate having you out on the road. Be sure to check out all my other videos, and I will see you next Tuesday.